Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about this article from Tesla Roddy, and basically it's saying that Tesla confirms that it is finally adding an Apple Watch support. So I don't know about you guys, but I do purchase, actually I did purchase an watch app for my Tesla. It's called Watchla for Tesla. It was pretty cheap. I think it was like $8 or $10, right? But there's third parties companies out there that are actually charging you either a large amount of money up front or you do a monthly subscription. So, and I guess there's a lot of people that are asking Tesla, and they're finally coming through. So we're gonna go through this article and let's see when it will come to us. So this is written by Joey Klender, and Tesla has confirmed that it will roll out one of the most highly requested features to owners with the 2024 holiday update, as it plans to roll out an app for the Apple Watch this month. With the announcement of the features that will be included with the 2024 update, Tesla confirmed that it would finally be adding an Apple Watch app, something that owners have been requesting for a very long time. That is 100% true and correct. It is a feature that has been in the works for some time as well. Tesla has come through for owners with a lot of requested features, and the Apple Watch is the latest example. So as you can see right here, can we please get an official Tesla app watch? Hitting at Elon, and this person actually did a mock-up as well too, and he did pretty nice as well. Right, and another one here. Hey Elon, any chance of a native Tesla app for smartwatches? They're increasingly becoming capable of replacing phones situationally. Many don't want to trust a third-party app, which is true. Using watch as an active key or a preconditioned cabin would be useful. P.S. You're the man. And here's another one here. Right, so in late October, we reported that Tesla source code revealed that a smart watch app was being built. Interestingly, the system app would run on was not revealed, so it was up in the air whether it would roll out to the Apple Watch, Garmin, or other operating system. For now, it appears that Apple Watch will be only system to support the Tesla Watch app, but that could be changed in the future. So Tesla said in its holiday update feature revealed that everything from the battery charge to the ability to open the front and control the cabin climate will be available in the new Apple Watch app. It is a great addition and will be coming to you by the end of the month. Wow, this is finally coming true. It's nice. So, are you guys excited about this? Because I know I am. I don't use the app quite a lot, but the fact that it's coming from Tesla, we can have the trust there, and it's just nice feature. And I don't know why Tesla, hasn't been doing this for many times or many years ago. They started in 2018, 2017. They should have at least, but you know what? Finally, it's here for us. So I just can't wait to get it on my phone. All right, guys, that's pretty much for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you love the content, make sure you subscribe for more. Other than that, be safe. Till next time.